So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. And then on the 4th time you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that the PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once we're here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once this comes up, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootsect /NT60 all. And then click on Enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on Enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec /scan os. Click on Enter again. Now once that loads up, you want to type in bootrec /rebuild bcd. Click on Enter again. Once you do all of that, we can now close out of this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.